Okay, I'm standing here along Egham Bypass, and in case you don't recognize this lake here, well, this isn't really a lake. This used to be the large green field where I used to where I normally launch my rockets from. And as you can see, it says public footpath. So basically, the Runnymede on Thames hotel is right over there. And I've just seen some four-wheel drive vehicles driving down that road, and the water level was up to their wheel arches. So once again, this is Egham. That's the Maranello Ferrari and Maserati showroom down that way, and this large thing that looks like a lake here, I believe it's called Runnymede Greens or something along those lines. I've never seen anything like this before.